When replacing rear brake pads, the brake rewind tool is indispensable. But every brake caliper is different and each one needs its own adapter to drive the piston back. Now there is a better solution. This new brake rewind tool from Laser features an innovative new idea, an adjustable adapter that will fit many vehicle applications. It is easily adjustable and will fit pistons with a pin distance between 15 and 35 millimeters. This covers many popular vehicle applications. The adapter is a registered design and is manufactured by Laser Tools at our factory in Sheffield. Another problem-solving British innovation. Simply adjust the pins to fit the corresponding holes in the caliper piston, then lock in place with a hex key. Fit the adapter to the rewind tool and assemble to the caliper. Another useful feature is both right hand and left hand threads in the one tool. Both ends are clearly marked. Simply flip the tool around and fit the adapter to the other end to work with calipers that have a left hand thread. When using the rewind tool, apply firm pressure to the piston as you turn the T-handle to make sure the inner piston is wound back. The adjustable adapter can also be used with this air-powered rewind tool from Laser, part number 3993. It applies constant pressure to the piston as the T-handle is turned. The versatility of the new adjustable adapter is demonstrated by looking at the application list. The adapter can be adjusted to fit the rear caliper pistons of all these vehicles. British engineering and innovation from Laser Tools.